I'm going to show you my makeup look for today and how to do it. First, I'm starting up by filling in my eyebrows with a pencil I got from Ipsy. Can't remember the brand. Here I'm using a primer I bought from Five Below. Just using a little thin amount of it. Here I'm using a eyeshadow primer that I got from Ipsy called Stuck on You. Then I'm setting it with some powder. Then I'm using a Moods palette. I'm starting off with like the dark brown shade, kind of putting it on my eyelids and put a little bit on my crease. Then I'm putting some green eyeshadow over it. It's like an emerald green. I'm just kind of putting over that brown eyeshadow, and then I put mascara on. Now I'm putting Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, luminous foundation on. I do this after eyeshadow, so like I kind of clean up the eyeshadow after I've applied it and everything. Now I'm going in with an e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm just kind of brightening up my under eye area, and I put it around my nose to kind of get rid of the redness around my nose. Kind of setting it with powder. A little goes a long way. I'm putting it on the sides of my nose, just a little bit of it, because it's a little goes a long way with that concealer. I'm setting it all with powder. Now I'm going in with some bronzer. It's by Pixie by Petra, I think. I got it from Ipsy too. Just kind of contouring my face and putting some shadow on where my double chin is, kind of cover that up, and kind of contouring my nose a little bit. Just gives shape to the face and bronzes it up a little bit. Now I'm going in with blush. It has like a golden color blush, but I'm just kind of going with the kind of the matte pink blush that's in that palette. Now I'm going in with the Moods palette again with a brown highlighter. Just kind of going over my face with it, kind of giving my face some highlight and some dimension. I'm putting it under my under eyes and my Cupid's bow, and under my eyes, kind of brightening it up. Now I'm using a Burt's lip gloss that I got from Cracker Barrel. And now I'm setting it with some setting spray that's shimmery. And there's my look. Thank you for watching.